Hello students, how are you? I think you all are fine. Listen, today I will again explain one more chapter of LCM and one more topic of LCM and HCF. This topic was left yesterday, co-prime number. Some of you told me that ma'am please explain co-prime number also. So today there is the video of co-prime number. Co-prime number, first you should know what are co-prime number. Co-prime number means which two numbers have only one factor. One should be their common factor of these two numbers are called co-prime. Which two number have one is their common factor are called co-prime number. As I have given one example here, 17 and 19. So you know very well 17 and 19, they both are co-prime number. Sorry, they both are prime number. So how you will take out the answer, ki how you come to know these are co-prime also? Because I will take out the factor of 1 multiplied by 17 is equal to 17, and there is no other factor of 17 because 17 is a prime number. And next is 19. There is 1 multiplied by 19, so 19 will come. There is no any other number which will multiply or which will divisible by 19, correct? Because this is also a prime number. So when I have written that 17 factor 1 and 17 and 19 factor are 1 and 19. So which is the common factor of these two digits? 1. 1 is the common factor of these two digits. So it means it is co-prime number. Now these two numbers are prime numbers, so you can say ma'am it is the prime number, that's why factor will become only 1 as a common factor. So I have taken one more example for you. One is 30 and second one is 31. One is not a co-prime number because 30 is not a co-prime number because 30 will come in so many tables, like it will come in table of 2, 3 and 5. Okay. So I have taken here one co-prime number, one prime number and one composite number. Now you can see I will take out the factor of 30. 1 multiplied by 30 is equal to 30. 2 multiplied by 15 is equal to 30. 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30. 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30. Now again it will come in 6 table, but it is repeated. 6 already multiplied by 5, so we will not take it again. I told you as yesterday. So there, how many factors are of there? 30. 30 factors are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now next number we will take out the factor of 31. So 1 multiplied by 31 is equal to 31. And there will be no any other factor of 31 because 31 is a prime number. Clear? So I will write I have written all the factors of 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 10, 15, 30. And 31 factor, there are two factors only of 31, 1 and number itself. So what is the common factor in these two numbers? 1. So it means it is a co-prime. Clear? It is not necessary both numbers should be prime number if you are taking out the co-prime. One can be a composite number also. It means composite number or prime number or prime number or prime number. When you will take out the factors, if common factor is 1, so it means it is a co-prime. Clear? So I have taken out some important points for you which are very important. These can come in your exam also. One is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Clear? Because one is not, it will come in all the table. Clear? All table like 1 2s are 2, clear? 130 is a 30, 140 is a 40, 145 is a 45. Clear? So 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. If I will ask you which is the smallest prime number, so there will be a 2 because 2 is a prime number. 2 will come in table itself and table of 1. Clear? If I will ask you what is the smallest composite number, there will be 4. Composite means more than 2 factor. Which number have more than 2 factor have are composite number. Like 4, if we will take out the factors of 4, it will 1, 2 and 4. So there will be 3 factor of 4. So it is a composite, smallest composite number. Clear? Now next, dash and dash are the prime number whose difference is 1. So we have to take two prime numbers when we will subtract these two numbers. So difference means we have to subtract. So when we will subtract these two numbers, then 1 will come. Okay. So there are two prime number which difference will be always 1. So there will be 2 and 3. Clear? Every prime number except dash is odd. Means all prime number are odd number. But only except 2. 2 is not a odd number, it's a even number. So every prime number except 2 is odd. Clear? Each prime number has exactly two factors. Clear? All prime number have two factor, number itself and 1. Clear everyone? Now one more point is there. Two number which has only 1 as their common factor are called co-prime, as I explained you here. Which two number as their common factor, which two number have only 1 as their common factor are called co-prime. Now I think this topic is clear to you all. I will bring more videos for you. Clear? I will make more videos. So kindly tell me, send me comment ki ma'am please explain this topic. In school also you told me ma'am please explain this topic again. So that's why I will bring many videos. So listen this, clear it, and if you have any doubt then send me in comment box ki ma'am still we are having doubt, then I will explain it again. Clear? I think you all will like this video, so kindly like, subscribe, and please comment it also. And I promise you I will make more and more video and I will clear your all the doubts. Thank you.